Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you FiveM error or FiveM ros-patches-five.dll error or Win7 error. So here, this error may due to the fact that FiveM application cannot connect to the remote server, cannot be read while updating. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also because of many problems. So there are some variables. So here you can try to fix, you can reach the solution of the problem by following this suggestion. Thank you for hatauzmani.com provide us this article, provide us this solution. So you can edit launcher settings of this app. So you need to reach FiveM install folder first on your system, To do this, you can type here in the start search screen and open the FiveM folder in the open folder and access the FiveM application data folder. Open the citizen.fx in the folder with the help of a notepad. Save the file by pasting the following code at the last line here. Upload channel, and after this process, run the FiveM application and check if the problem persists. So you can try this one. So you can right click citizen.fx, open with the notepad, and also you can check your connection. Maybe there is a problem with your internet connection, can cause many error. Or you can try to clear the DNS case. I recommend you to not to do this. This is the advanced, but you want to try. You can type cmd in the start screen and run as administrator, and you can type this following code. So here, this is the cmd, and run as administrator, and you can try to use this ipconfig plus, copy, then hit enter in order to flush the DNS. And of course, you can turn your modem off and on, turn off your router, and you can try to register another DNS server, or you can create private port for FiveM here. We can go to the Windows firewall and open advanced settings on the left side on the screen that open. Now you can choose the port. So you can follow this instruction. You can pause the video in order to create private port. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.